Hi, this is Juana Manahan-Yupangco of Mesa and Misis, and thank you for having me at UPLB Institute of Plant Breeding. Hello
Yes
again,
po.
Angeline.
Hello po. So, again, I'm Angeline Marmeto from the Institute of Plant Breeding.
Okay, so today we're cooking with actually one of the first vegetables I ever cooked with, Lagikway. I was really surprised to know that not many people know what this is, but this grows here at IPB, right? So I think you have a field here
Yes.
with all of this. So this is one of the first vegetables that I ever experimented with in Mesa and Misis. So if you look back at our website from 2017, makikita nyo tong recipe na to. It's our Chinese-style lagikway. Okay. So, very, very simple lang tong recipe na to. So, we call it Chinese-style kasi kung kumakain ka sa Chinese restaurant, you'll just see that yung mga gulay nila is slightly sauteed with garlic, onion, some sesame oil. So, yeah, we're gonna do that today. We'll start, we'll heat up the pan. You can heat that up. And I'm not going to chop our garlic. Mahalata nyo sa Chinese style. It's cut kind of like round.
Oh.
Diba? So, makikita mo talaga yung buong cloves. Okay. And the trick that I learned from a Chinese friend of mine is you put the garlic last para wala siyang burnt taste. And it still stays very fresh. So, we're just gonna start. We'll put the oil a little later. So, choice mo. So, sometimes to save on yung extra fat and extra cholesterol, you don't put oil muna. So, today, we'll do it the healthy way. Huwag mo muna natin lagyan ng oil. Okay? So, we'll start with the ginger para hindi masunog.
Okay.
So, low heat lang naman. And there we go. So, do we want to cut this? Kasi ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda niya, diba? So, I don't know. Ano may kaya magandang style dito? Maybe we can just cut it like this so that mabilis masubo. So, I'm cutting it in half so that the leaves are sort of bite-sized and it's still really pretty on your plate. This is really good to serve as a side dish. Kung maghahanda kayo ng Chinese food. So some of them are really cute. I'm gonna leave it like this. And this one, okay. It seems like enough. Sometimes I've seen this delivered sometimes from some farms with the stalk still on, so you can eat that. Okay, so this is gonna go by really, really quickly. So once the leaves are in, we can turn up the heat a little bit. Okay, that looks like it's going. Okay, so we're gonna put in the garlic and a drizzle of sesame oil. So this is gonna bring out the flavor. And as you can see, I put the sesame oil last para pang pa-flavor lang talaga siya. Okay, here comes the fun part. We'll just add a little bit, dash of salt for extra taste.
So, is this more of a side dish po? Or
It's
like...
a side dish.
Oh.
Okay, here, because you have a little bit of water there, we're gonna throw in the water and now we're gonna steam it. So, you don't wanna overcook your vegetables. This is the way na hindi siya malata. So here sa Philippines, our favorite way to eat vegetables is lanta.
Yes, actually.
You'll see like a lot of the vegetables, they're kind of brown or gray or like has a lot of sauce. You won't get like your full like nutritional profile anymore. Tsaka mukhang sad yung gulay, diba?
Wala yung pagka-fresh ng
so
greens.
if you notice sa mga Chinese restaurant, pag nagsaserve sila, napaka-green. And this is the way that I learned from my Chinese friend, is to steam. See, it's still really pretty. So I noticed with the lagikway, the stalks are a little bit hard, but if you don't mind that, then it's okay. So this is ready to serve. I'm just gonna add
super fast ng
super fast.
recipe.
I'm gonna add just a dash of salt. Yun, so the garlic bits are whole here. So garlic is really good for your body. Hindi lang pang pa-kontra aswang. It's good for your blood pressure. So many good things. And when it's steamed like this, it's really tasty. Nawawala yung sharpness ng anghang niya. Okay, so we can serve this now. Yeah.
I think perfect to sa, tulad ko pa din na hindi fan ng vegetable kasi hindi siya like sa lasa, bibig. So, okay na okay siya for me.
So, pwede mo describe sa mga viewers natin, what's it familiar to? Ano yung mga familiar na taste or flavor profile niya?
I think medyo malapit siya sa spinach.
Okay.
Medyo ganun siya.
So yun, very replaceable sa mga Chinese dishes. Diba gumagawa sila ng watercress or broccoli or kailan. Pwedeng ito yung magpa-replace. And it's so great because it grows in your backyard. At napaka-local niya. It has so many health benefits as well. So yun, ito po, I decided to cook everything since mabilis siya lumiit. So everybody here can try it. Yun, pang side dish siya. But I'm really interested to experiment with it. Kasi nung rinagaluhan ako nito, konti lang siya. So ito yung naisip ko. Now I know where to get it. Okay, so yung lagikway is a good alternative for spinach. Yung first time ko siya matry, niisip ko, why not use this for spinach or kale if you're doing Chinese food? Pero anong variety itong dinuto natin?
So, etong ginamit natin ngayon, so ito ay siya yung gland variety ng lagikway. So, dito sa IPB, meron tayong dalawang variety. So, etong isa, the gland, and then the sariaya variety.
Okay.
So, eto siya.
So I was told that you can grow this by cuttings, not seeds. So for someone like me who kills everything that she plants, this is perfect. Sana hindi ko ito patayin. And sana lumaki siya. Yun. So this is our Chinese style lagikway. Again, I'm Juana Manahan-Yupangco from Mesa and Misis, and this has been Angeline.
Hi, I'm Angeline Marmeta from the Institute of Plant Breeding.
Thank you for joining us today. Last but not least, I'd like to tell everyone to get a copy of the Mesa and Misis cookbook. It's 40 recipes for 250 pesos only, available on Shopee and Lazada. We also have our website, mesanimisis.com, where you will find this recipe, Chinese style lagikway, available. So thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much, IPB, for having me today.
Thank you, Miss
Thank you,
Juana.
Angeline. We'll see you next time.